This is the beginning of something incredible.
And nothing like you've ever seen before.
Especially in the content creation space.
I'm CJ.
I'm Josh.
And I'm Barton, and we make 6 figures a year making content for brands while also coaching others to succeed in the same way.
Over the last year, you may have seen the 3 of us and other creators sharing our revenue and success on TikTok. And a huge reason for the success is the group of creators that we've built around us. Over the last year, this group has become a powerhouse of creators, and together we've accumulated over $3 million in revenue, reaching over 3 billion views for brands.
As mentors, Barton and CJ started a small group in a TTCC Discord to mentor their mentees, and quickly grew it by continuing to offer the same opportunity to fellow creators by guiding and coaching them towards success.
Our mentees started making over $10,000 a month and then became mentors whose mentees also started making over $10,000 a month.
And Josh being one of them. And along the way, it became clear that he had a passion for helping and teaching creators to not only make money, but to make good content and improve as a creator.
I always saw that CJ and Barton were helping anyone that they could within the creator community, and eventually asked if there was any way that I could lend a hand in those efforts. While working close together, we've become good friends and are excited to finally announce that we are now business partners, coming together to offer you a journey to success with us.
We want to keep building what we've been building, but also expand in other ways to monetize content, like TikTok Shop, UGC, landing brand deals, personal content, you name it.
You don't need a ton of followers or experience to learn from us, and now you can join our community and get on the same path. If content creation is truly what you want to do, all you need is to get started, because there's never been a better time.
Creator Cashflow will offer you all the tools that you need to become a full-time content creator in 2024. And we're excited to finally announce that we have launched the Discord and the courses that we have been working on for the last few months.
What you're going to learn in here, no one else talks about.
Not only will you have our continuously updated courses to learn from, we're also holding weekly calls. We'll have sections for video feedback, offering tons of resources that we personally use, and so much more. But most importantly, the community that has turned into a family who help each other and build each other up to succeed together. There's really nothing like it out there, and now we're able to offer it to you. But I will give you a fair warning. If you join us over here, you may begin to feel unstoppable.
We want to be able to focus on this full time and be available to you as much as possible. So what we're doing is starting at a low subscription base and offering the first 50 people who subscribe 50% off for the life of the subscription, which is not only going to give you everything that we offer for $15 a month, but it will stay $15 a month for the lifetime of that subscription.
And even if you're not ready to jump in yet, there's a free section of the Discord that you will have access to with resources and weekly tips where you can also communicate with the rest of the community, providing you motivation to get started when you're ready.
Whether it's your first step to your career in content or you're a pro who wants to start earning life-changing money, now is the time. I'm CJ.
I'm Barton.
I'm Josh, and we'll see you in Creator Cashflow.